channel. It's Tisha Isabella. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this hair. This hair is by Silkwave. I'll put the link to the hair in the description, and I'll put the link to the hair tutorial in the description too, so you can see how the hair look unpackaged and everything. I feel like it has shrunk a little bit since I got it. I feel like it was a little longer, but it has been shedding a lot. I'm not going to lie to y'all. It's been shedding a lot. Like, it's really making me feel like it's thin. I don't know how it's looking on the video right now, but yeah, like I was saying, it feels like it's thin now. It has shed a lot. Like, I threw most of it away, but it has shed a lot. I know hair sheds, but this joint sheds. And I know you get what you pay for. I know 30-inch wigs be like $400, so I'm not tripping. It's a decent wig. The pattern has held up the best that it could. I still think that the pattern is still pretty. I said I'm gonna get my crumple and crank it to give it a deeper wave look, but it's still actually a good wave. It has got the end. Once you get over the shedding part, it's actually some good hair. You know, some deep wave wigs be looking dry. It don't give me dry. It's easy to manage. I braid it, unbraid it in the morning, and my curls are right back intact. Like, I don't have too many problems with it. The lace lay down, like right now, don't look at it right now because I gotta reinstall it. It's been in all week, but it's done okay. It's okay. If I got a picture, I'll put it right here, but I had got this hair in like a 12 or 14, 16, one of them inches, and I had did like a small bob, and it was beautiful. So that's why I ordered it again. I'll probably order it again in the short length versus the long length because it sheds a lot. It's shedding a lot with long hair. You're gonna be able to tell. So if it shed a lot with shorter hair, 16-inch whatever, you're not really gonna be able to tell because it's a short do. If you get what I mean, this way you're gonna be able to tell because it's long hair. But if it sheds and it stops right here, it still look thick. I don't know how to explain it, but if you get me, you get me. I want to say it's been a week and a half or 2 weeks since I did the first video. I don't know. I think it said like 12 days, so almost 2 weeks. But the hair is okay. It's okay. I think of something else I need to mention, but it's been doing okay for me. I just add my water and my mousse and curl it out. Like, it's been braided all day. I haven't done anything to it. I went to Walmart, so I combed it out and stuff, but it hasn't gave me that many problems. You know, obviously it's giving 26-inch. It's not giving 30-inch to me at all. It was long when I first it's not giving 30-inch to me at all. Well, it stopped about right here. So it's giving 28-inch. And that's still good for a 30-inch because it's curly. What else could I mention? I could mention that the hair took 2 weeks to comb. The vendor, she's real nice. She has great customer service. She talks to you in anything you need, or not anything you need, but if it's a problem, she'll talk to you. You know how some of them be real rude and nasty. She'll talk to you and reply to you. I would say they have great customer service. I don't know what else I need to say. The hair was supposed to be 180 density. It was when I first got it. It was really thick and beautiful when I first got it. So it has shed a lot. But when I first got it, it was 180 density. But it has fell out. It's shedded out. So it's not 180 no more. It's like 100 density. Because it must be thicker than it is. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm overthinking. I tend to overthink. I'm going to look in the video and see. It made me look thick. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I think you could be thicker. See, I'm telling y'all, like, it sheds bad. Like, the world. But that'd probably be the only thing, like, if I didn't order it again, that would be a reason, because it sheds really bad. It has a good texture. The lace, you know, if you know how to work with lace, it's easy to make the lace undetectable. Easy to part. I done did the middle part, side part, half up, half down. I done did all that in this 13x4. So it's a good wig. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a review because y'all was coming and asking me about it on the initial video. So I said, let me make a video and let my girls know. But yeah, it's holding up, you guys. I can get maybe 2 more weeks out of it. I may can get maybe 2 more weeks out of it. It still look thick. It still look thick. I'm just overthinking. I always overthink. It still look thick. I don't know. Once I look back at the video, I can tell for real. I also did a video of how to maintain it so you can keep the curls popping. I'm gonna put that in the description as well. But yeah, let me know if I didn't touch something. 180 density, took 2 weeks to ship. 30 inches, Deepwave, Silkwave hair. I think the lace was transparent. I don't really remember, or medium brown, one of them. But I put the direct link. But yeah, if you like the hair, you should definitely cop it. Like, this is not sponsored at all. I'm telling the honest truth. This is my money I spent on it. No lies here. On the contact I've been in with the lady, is just telling her how the hair is doing. This is not sponsored at all. I wish it was. If you want to sponsor me, hit me up. But this is the honest truth. So, and I'm always telling the truth whether it's sponsored or not, because my sisters, we can't be getting scammed out here when we just trying to look good. We can't be getting scammed when we just trying to look good for our men, look good for ourselves, but you know, we trying to look good for our men too. I also just did a photo shoot with his hair, and I'm gonna drop that video of like behind the scenes vlog type. I'll drop that one day. Do it. If I could ask you to do anything, that's just to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this video helped you in some type of way. All the links will be in the description. Follow me on Instagram at Tisha Isabella.